Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Toyota 4Runner SR5, a vehicle that's been turning heads and dominating trails. Is this the ultimate off-road machine of the future? Let's find out. First off, let's talk about the design. The 2025 4Runner SR5 keeps its iconic boxy shape but adds modern touches like sleek LED lighting, a bold grille, and reinforced skid plates for serious off-road adventures. Toyota has also introduced new color options, including this stunning Terra Bronze, perfect for standing out on and off the road. Step inside, and you'll notice Toyota has stepped up its game. The SR5 trim now comes with a 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium JBL sound system. The seats are wrapped in durable, water-resistant fabric, perfect for those muddy adventures. Plus, there's plenty of legroom for the whole crew. Now, let's talk performance. The 2025 4Runner SR5 is powered by a turbocharged 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine, delivering 278 horsepower and 317 pound-feet of torque. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and Toyota's legendary four-wheel drive system, this thing is a beast on any terrain. And check this out, it comes with multi-terrain select and crawl control, making even the toughest trails feel like a breeze. Need space for gear? No problem. The 4Runner SR5 offers 89 cubic feet of cargo space with the rear seats folded. There's also a hands-free power liftgate, perfect for when your hands are full after a long day of adventure. So, is the 2025 Toyota 4Runner SR5 worth the hype? Absolutely. With its rugged design, advanced tech, and unbeatable off-road capabilities, it's a top contender for anyone looking for a reliable and adventurous SUV. Pricing starts at $45,000, making it a great value for what you're getting. What do you think of the 2025 4Runner SR5? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more car reviews and adventures. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.